first half. Felipe Luis. Nasri. Now a cross from Samir Nasri. A very good effort to stop that cross. Decent challenge by the opponent. Need to try and get the ball back now. Nasri, what a talented player he is. Toure, looking for Nasri. Slipped past his man now. And now can he score? Well, he has a go. And it's a goal here. He saw where the goalkeeper was and just placed it into that bottom corner.
Yeah, he knew exactly what he wanted to do there, Martin, and he did it so well. Well, it was a marvellous finish, Martin. He's in the right place at the right time there. Wonderful goal.
Diego Costa. And in goes the cross. And in Dzeko. Away from him.
Yeah, it looks easy in the stands, but in that position when it is so wet, it's really difficult, actually, that one.
Nasri. Yaya Toure. He wants it back from his teammate, and there it is, it's come back. Oh, here's the opening. Here's the shot. Wonderful reach. He's got to it and turned it away. Kolarov. Looking for Nasri. Koke. Felipe Luis. He's in the clear. Volley's at goal. That's a wonderful chip into the back of the net. Well, we're back at level pegging again at 1-1. Nasri. That's the half-time whistle from the referee. 1-1 at the break. It's been gripping, hasn't it, the way these teams have gone about their business. Very much as predicted, and nothing to separate them as yet. They're level at half-time.
Intriguing contest. You look at the two sets of players and
Atletico Madrid start the second half. It's going to be a goal, surely. Can have it back. It's one back. Diego Costa. Gavi, in quickly. Adatura. Looking for Aguero. Gavi. Villa. Chance for it. He's gone for goal. It's a great moment. They've scored here and they're into the lead.
One of the very best in terms of popping up in the box and finishing clinically.
Different angle on it here. And the score. Yaya Toure. He read it, cut it out. Help from his teammate here, who's fastened onto that header. And Thiago. David Villa. Nasri. Zabaleta. That's very well read. That's a very good interception. Adatura. wonderful finish. Well, given the way the goalkeeper has started this game, this goal is no surprise.
None at all. He started badly and he's fell away. He doesn't look confident at all.
And it's 3-1. The goals keep on coming. Edin Dzeko. Kolarov. Villa. Here's the opportunity. Not to be. The keeper thought he'd got in the way of it, and it's bounced off him into the net.